Hi everyone. This is a video tutorial on how to get to Newsela and fill out the worksheet. So you'll go to Newsela from Canvas, so just log into your Science Canvas and then click on Newsela, which is in this column here. Okay, once you're in Newsela, you're going to come up here to the search, click on search, and then you're going to type in Mars and then search Mars. So you get lots of different types of articles here on Mars, not Bruno Mars, okay? But you can choose any of the types of videos you want. Woman hoping for a chance to explore Mars, but skeptics question mission. You can even read something like that. NASA is sending a tiny robot helicopter to Mars. Sure, after a year pretending to be on Mars, NASA's astronauts are back home. What was that about? So you get to choose any one of these articles to read. Okay, what will humans eat on Mars? Let's choose that one. All right, now on our worksheet, it says the 4 Ps. Okay, preview the article, look at the pictures and read the subheadings. So we'll look at the pictures. Okay, it looks like a picture of Mars. It says, what will humans eat on Mars? What inspired you to feed 1 million people on Mars? What practical factors did you consider when thinking about food production? How did you determine which food sources would be well suited for life on Mars? How does cellular agriculture work? So that kind of says might be something about, how they're actually going to do it. Could you elaborate a bit more about in-seat protein? All right. What kinds of fruits and vegetables would be on the menu? And so on and so on. So you're just going to read the subtitles. Predict, what do you think the article will be about? Well, just from reading a few of the subtitles, it's going to be about what types of foods they have on Mars and how they're going to grow them, and what foods are the most nutritious. So you just write some bullet points there. Prior knowledge. What do you know already about the topic? Well, honestly, I don't know a lot about what they're going to grow on Mars and what will grow in that kind of environment. So I don't know a lot. It's all right. I actually don't know a lot. Purpose. What do you want to learn from this article? What questions do you have? I'm personally curious about what will they eat. Will they eat stuff from a tube like astronauts do? Will they eat dehydrated stuff from Earth that's not very good? Or will they get to make fresh meals out of stuff that they've grown? All right. So now that we've finished this page, this bottom part is for later. The nonfiction article title. Okay. My title is, what will humans eat on Mars? So I will type in the title. What will humans eat on Mars? Source. That is who wrote it. So this is by Smithsonian and adapted by the Newsela staff. So you're going to write here, source, Smithsonian. Okay? That's what you would write. That's where Newsela got the source from. Your name, obviously write your name. Lexile level. Okay, the great thing about Newsela is that you can change the reading level. That's what Lexile means. So max is going to be the most advanced reading level, and then the lowest one is going to be an easier reading level. So when you change that, it changes the text and makes it easier to read, or it makes it more complex to read with more information. You choose what's right for you, okay? Don't make it too easy, but don't make it too hard either, okay? So whatever you choose, let's say you choose 890, then write down here 890, okay? What do you see when you read? Draw a picture. Okay, maybe you see vegetables, maybe you see meat, maybe you see cells, whatever it is, okay? Word art. Choose 3 vocabulary words from the article. So you could choose the word protein. What else did we see in here? Let's see. Could write atmosphere, cellular, okay? And you're just going to make them fancy. You don't have to define them. You don't have to do anything like that. You just have to write them in fancy word art. Now, use bullet points to take notes while you are reading. Be sure to include the who, what, where, when, why, and how information from the article. Okay, beginning. What is the first paragraph telling you? Middle, write facts for each middle paragraph, or most of them. Conclusion, what is the ending paragraph explaining? And the main idea, what is this article about? Write 1 sentence. And then write a summary paragraph, 3 to 4 sentences about the article. So scientists on Mars will grow food that has the most protein. I mean, I didn't read the article yet, but that's pretty much what you're going to be writing here. And then what new questions do you have? And yes, you have to put at least 1 question. All right. When you are done with all of this, then you're going to take the quiz on the thing here. It says activities, the quiz. So you'll take the quiz, and there's usually 4 questions. And then you'll write down a score that you got. And then what did you learn from reading the article? Okay. I learned that they're going to be able to grow their own food and make fresh meals. I don't know. Maybe. I hope that's what they get to do. I'll have to read the article later. All right. So that's how you fill out this worksheet and pick an article on Newsela. All right. I look forward to seeing you soon.